Alright, what's up, guys? Alright, so as you can see, I'm doing a series until I get Darryl to max tier, and I'm getting 5 ranks every single day, and 5 ranks is 20 trophies per 1 rank, so that's 100 trophies every single day. Pretty sure. Wait. 2, 4, 6. Yeah, 100 trophies every single day till I get Darryl to max tier. So let's get started. Oh my gosh, I hate that. It's so annoying. The world? Dude, oh my gosh. I'm rank 31. No! Could have got 3rd. Or 4th. I need another gear. That's not fair. I only have 1 for some reason. Oh, that's why I keep losing. Yeah, get away, boy. Oh no. I hate Allie so much. Oh my gosh, oh my, Allie's trash, you little piece of trash. Never mind, you're not a piece of trash. Oh, she had 9 and like 7 kills. I don't know what you're on blame for. Oh, I was already here. Wait, what was I doing? Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's a game. Oh my gosh.
Geology rocks!
You thought, little boy. How dare you? Oh, heck no. I'm out. Bless you. Welcome. Bless you. Welcome. Get away. Aha. Bless you. Welcome.
It's all about boats and food. Salty sea dog.
I'm playing so good. How dare you to use all your charges on my butt?
It's all about boats and booty.
He has middle, so he thinks he's gonna survive because I'm on the edge. Oh, no. I'm coming for you.
You slimy sea urchin.
Oh,
Biscuit eater.
I didn't hit any of my supers. Dude. Get away. Okay. Good night, love you. Well, that stinks. Close the door. What in the world? Oh, shoot. That was the game the moment he didn't want that yellow card. What is in here? Why is there a piece of grass in my house? Get away. Oh, shoot. Hey, buddy, get away. Oh, I thought that was me.
Yo, D in the sea, that's me.
Dude, that almost hit.
Salty sea dog.
You almost did. Oh no, we're going to 4. I'm not on 34. I'm on 32. I'm so sorry.
Ho, ho, ho.
What dare you to hit? Yeah, get away. What's a little hot dog thing? Dude. Or not. Kobe. Oh, crap. Yeah, that's game. Yeah, I was on 33. I was thinking something completely different. I got rid of the challenge. No. Okay, forget it. I'm gonna get it.
It's all about boats and booty. You smelly
You're so annoying, dog. Holy annoying. Forget that, dude.
Show me the booty.
No. It's no, it's got 2 health. This is the real mouse. He got told. Holy.
Behold, I found some
Oh, he's on the other side.
shiver me timber timber.
This guy has 0 Q. Oh no. Haha. Like that. No.
Scallywag.
Let's go. Let's go. No, it's not. It's not a game. I'm the best. No, I'm not the best player right now. Tier 35.
Ahoy, mateys.
Do you want to go check the thing in here? Yeah, this thing. 9K, holy. Next one is 3K. What's the lowest? It's probably like 1,003. No, it's not 1,000. 1,777. I'm good. I think I might just stick on my 1,000. What about Shelly? I have 20 on Shelly. It's so embarrassing. It's cool though. I almost got on here. On my main account. I failed though. And there was like a lot. Oh, this is global. No, I don't want to go global. I want to go to global US. Holy. Yeah, it was a lot lower than this. It was like 1,100. Where's Darryl? Lowe's is 1,200. I need to get that. It's so funny. The highest probably like 1,800. 3,000. Oh, holy. And total trophies, I'm nowhere on here. I want to see if like any YouTubers are on here. I just realized I'm wasting so much time. But I don't care. Oh look, Benton won. I bet you this is like the actual person, like the actual Benton. Yeah, I know for a fact it's the actual Benton because he just did a video on this like Chester, and he got that like Chester thing. Let me see. It has to be 10. The Chester has to be 10K for him. Why is his Chester 1,000? The world. His Chester's supposed to be 11K at 10,000. It's more than 8,000. It's supposed to be at least 10,000. That's the whole point of the video. I don't think this is the actual Ben 10 though. That's kind of. You're not supposed to have 1,000 on chest. You're supposed to have 10,000. I want to see if I see Snake Thug on here. That'd be pretty cool to see his profile. I don't know. How many trophies does Snake Thug have anyways? But these guys are missing like a few levels, about like a few hundred trophies. I don't get why these guys don't play. Oh wait, no, because if I go to this guy, I go to his brawlers. Pretty sure that's why, because all of them are maxed here. 92,000 already. That's funny. Where's Snake though? Right there.
Brother, sashimi style.
100,001. That's cool. Mythic 1? Snake Dog has gotten to pro once. This is a lie. The liest thing ever. Oh, that's local US. Oh. Wait. Okay, I'm waiting down. I need 40 more trophies, which means like 4 more games in first place. Or second, whatever you want. Yo, get away. That bug's taking over everything, dude. Dude, yeah, this is game for me. Or not? This is how I live. I never played a Jay Young. I don't know what he does. I've never even like seen what his super does. I don't know anything about that guy. Oh. He's in that one little bush right there. Oh no, he did. Can't believe I missed that. What's up, Jay Young? What's up, boy?
Emotional damage.
That's not nice. Legendary in that game. I don't think I've ever seen that in my game. Well, on this account. On other account, I see legendaries all the time. Every time, all the time. Yo, can you back up? Dude, this is dumb. This is actually so dumb. I'm getting cornered. Yeah, dude, that's not nice. Yeah, this is actually stupid. Okay, I had to lock in because I already lost 6 trophies. And I'm 4 down in rank 34. So Another legendary again?
Diamond over here.
He's not normal. Get away. Bro! I hate Allie so much. Allie's just so annoying. Kid Cordelia. 2 kids. Oh, he's over there. Oh no. No, he's over here again. He's going over here. Oh no. Yeah. So, buddy, I dare you to jump on me. 200. Yeah, this is not good. Crap. No, that's not fair. You're like one game, one trophy away. From next year. Pretty sure.
Let's go to the danger zone.
I'm out. This is how I do it. That's how I do it. That's it. This is how I roll. This is me rolling. This is me rolling. Wait, when did Darryl get a hypercharge? When did he get a hypercharge? I was never aware he got a hypercharge. The only thing that does like 0 plus damage just gives him all the shield. He's 10k attack. Nah, just about to have. Oh, he's battling. I dare you to break it, little boy. Told you. Told you not to. That's so funny. Stinker. Hit him. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Why you scared now, huh? Why you scared, huh? Why you scared, huh? Oh, no, I'm scared now. Nope, I'm out. Now I'm really scared. That's how I do it. Hit that. Yo, get back. No. This is not how I die. This is not how I'm going to die. Hit. Yes. No, I'm cornered. This is good. This is game. I'm out. I'm out. Oh, I'm not out. Oh, I think he saw me. Yeah, he saw me. Yeah, beat him up. Don't beat me up. No, I'm that thing. No way you're gonna dumb down me, bro. One more tier. Oh, I'll show you, fam. Hate when people do that. They think they're good just because they killed one person. Oh, that's game for me, bro. Yep, that's game. And then they glaze themselves, saying, "Oh, I killed this guy." What do you want?
Smelly seagull.
Oh, dude. Yo, I'm not. Oh no, I'm scared of that super.
Skeeter.
Go this way. Okay. Okay, I need 12 more trophies to win. So that means like two more games. No, that meant to hit. The world? That thing. Oh my gosh. How does that even reach me? Yo, it's actually so dumb. Kind of hoping you're gonna keep going straight. Yeah, I'm tanky, boys. I'm tanky. I'll beat you up. Oh shoot. Wait, no, that's not good. Wait, he jumps? I use my super.
Gotta go lick myself.
Or my super on this amazing that I use all of the charges. Get killed. And I get a vacuum. W. I'm pretty sure that kid is still in that bush right there. The metal bush. I think that's a bus. Pretty sure. Yeah. Bro, it's a kid with 3 Qs. You can't possibly be that scared, dude. Wait, no, that's good. That's good. No. Dude. Bruh. That's so dumb. Okay, one more game. This is the last game. If I don't sell, yeah, it is the last game.
Brace for impact.
5th place. It can't be that bad, right? 2. Another legendary. Bro, fam, I swear, I literally just saw that guy. I dare you to open this thing. Actually, no, I don't do that. I don't have my super. Now I'm tanky. And range is pretty medium. Usually just get the cube and that we're cooked. Yeah, you sold, Shelly. You sold. That's our best game this game for me, probably. Yo, can you get away, dude? Holy. Okay, now I know the Lola's over there. Okay, dude. Okay. Here. Oh. Another? I don't understand how dumb that is. Another super? But okay, alright. Well, I got tier 37, guys. Next episode, we are getting tier 42, tier 47, the max tier boys and girls. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out.